Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 18 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add all the grass and trees, and also we added some houses that are already made, so from my user library. So you could just go and search for houses on 3D warehouse, so you can do that. So now I'm gonna add in more lights. I want to showcase some of this one right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees and then just a little bit from there. So now I'm going to put 10 and then do this one as well. So I'm going to add it like that. Pull it down a little bit. And then put this one right here. I just want to showcase what we have here. And then we're gonna add in some stuff. So a cone basically. And then add it here. Then just keep on adding. I want to add it from here. I think that's good enough. And then we need to go back. So let's save this. And then we need to go back to Revit just to add some scones. So here I'm going to add scones. So it's going to be very simple. Just model in place, generic model. And then extrusion, set, pick a plane, and then select this one. And then we're going to just add something like this. Make sure to change the material here. We could just duplicate this to make it faster. And then increase it a little bit. And what we need to do is go to ground. Let's do level 1. Click finish. And then copy this one. Multiple. 25. And then maybe we could just go to right here, copy it as well, and then edit placement of this, pick new. We're gonna use this one. Want to make sure that's done there, and then let's add one more here as well. Edit, and then we need to pick new, similar to what we did. Go to finish, and then let's see. So go to level 1 again. We need to align it. I want to align it from here. And then do the same thing. So copy, and then 2500. I think that's good enough. And then this one as well. And then one more. I just want to double check the height. And then align the bottom as well, so that everything is in the proper height. For some reason, when I'm checking or aligning it with this one, it's showing like that. So I'm just gonna align it again, and then align it here. And then let's just fix this part right here. I think there are only 3 of them. And then just the bottom part to align. There we go. And then might as well add a model text. Let's add it here, and then select that model text, duplicate. This will be house number, and then here we could just put 50 and then press OK. We can change the depth to 25, material to a metal material. Apply OK, and then let's make it a little bit bigger, 150, and then the text 25, or make it 24, and then just move it onto the side. Pick new. Let's pick this one. There we go. So that's good there. I want to add the same thing here. There we go. For some reason it didn't let me, so pick new. I'm gonna use this. I'm just going to create another one. For some reason it's not letting me do it, so CS generic model, same thing. Extrusion, set, pick this wall right here, and let's put this one right here. I want to use this because that's the one that we use at the moment, and then make it 35. I think that's good enough. It's giving me that error again. It's not letting me set this one. There we go. Now we could just edit the material. And the extrusion part. Click finish. And then now let's save this one. Delete inactive views, and then export again. Save it to the same location. Replace it. Yes. Save this one, and then go back to Twinmotion, and then just refresh this one. So now we have all of this added. We could now add a spotlight. So we're gonna add a spotlight going down and then going up. This one should be 180 degrees. There we go. And then we just need to change the intensity and then the temperature. We can do 3000, and then now that two of them, we need to add it to 250, and then I believe that's 8 of them. perfect. I believe just one of them is too much. There we go. So that's good there. You just need to do the other part. 7 of them. 2.5, 7. And we need to do the other. Just adding this, as you can see, it looks more nicer. Just 2 of them. .5 and then 2. And then we just need to add this thing right here. .5 and then 2 of them, and then add 2.5 again and then 2. So we have all of those added, and it made a big difference. Even the tree, adding some lights for the tree. And then if we look at it, big difference. So now that's done. What we can do next is to create our images. So go to media and then place your view to the one that you want. So for example, this one is my first view. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click create my first image. You want to make sure that this one is into high. You can change some of the rendering aspect here. So path tracer, quality, denoiser here. Let's put Firefly 20. We can change the sample to 500. now we could do is refresh it, and then if you want to move, you uncheck that and then move. Want to make something like this one right here. And then in terms of weather environment, we could do this. And then click this for sure, and then refresh it again and do the same thing. And then refresh. And then we want something like this. That's number 3. And then maybe along something like this, and then camera, increase the focal length. Something like this. We can see all the backgrounds. So add it. Make sure this one is. Check as well. I want to center this one a little bit. I think that's perfect. Refresh it. And then now we need to go and create some videos. Let's turn that off. And then I want is zooming in. We could add some vegetation here so that it looks good. So why not? So additional. It's not something that we're gonna see much, but it's going to be nice for our background. Maybe this one is too much right here. This 2. So let's remove that because we have a nice background right there. And then we could just add some other vegetation here. Something simple there. good there. And then let's go and create our video. I want a straight in video, so I'm gonna create and then zoom in, something like that. Make it 7. I want going from left to right, so I'm gonna add a keyframe, something like this one. 6 seconds. Another one. That could be 9 seconds. We can make it 8 seconds. And then we have something like that. Maybe 4 seconds. Add another one, just going up. 5 seconds. Let's do 5 seconds again. Let's refresh this and just add something like that. 3 seconds. Going down. Four seconds. Going out now. Five seconds. Another 5 seconds, and another 5 seconds here. So for this one, we haven't added, so I'm gonna delete this for now. Refresh and then go like that, and then here same thing, add that one, going out 5 seconds. And then once you're done, we just need to export everything. So go to export, we're actually not yet done here, so we need to rename this, duplicate first and then rename. This is show real. And then here we need to rename shorts and then change this to 700, and then this one to 1000. So we have our shorts and we have our regular. And then once you're done, save it first. And then we can just export it by adding all of them. Select all, and then select all on this. Path tracer, lumen, and all of those are checked. Here we need to double check. We need to add those. Save it again. So everything has that rendering image right there, that icon pertaining that this is with path tracer. So now export it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.